is crisp, it cuts so sweet. Golden carpets beneath my feet. I hear the whispers of the trees. Falling like leaves, we tumble down. Colors spinning all around. Ooh. Falling like leaves, hearts unbound. Ooh. Oh, oh, oh. Laugh it dances in the breeze, a melody I can't unsee. The world slows down and lets us be. Every step a brand new hue, every breath it pulls me to you. Falling like leaves we tumble down. Colors spinning all around. Falling like leaves, hearts unbound. Ooh. Oh, 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 we don't need a map or a plan. Just two hands in this autumn land. Moments turn into golden sand.
The sky was bruised, but now it's clear. The storm has passed and you're still here. I see the world in shades of new. Raindrops left their stories on the ground, but your laugh is the sweetest sound after the rain. The colors shine. Every drop was worth the time. We found a love that won't fade away. After the rain, you're here to stay. The puddles dance beneath our feet. Your smile's a song, my heart's heartbeat. The clouds may go, but you remain. The world smells fresh like second chances. Your eyes hold 1,000 dances. Every storm's a gift in disguise. After the rain, the colors shine. Every drop was worth the time. We found a love that won't fade away. After the rain, you're here to stay. The sky breeze blue, it whispers light. Your laughter cuts through the quiet night. Barefoot steps on a dewy floor. Who needs walls when the world's our door? Fresh air, love, it fills my lungs. Like a song unsung, like we're still young. Fresh air, love, it's all we need. A little wind, a little speed. Your hair's there's a kite that dances wild. Eyes like rivers unbeguiled. We chase the sun, we catch its glow. The kind of rush only we know. Fresh air, love, it fills my lungs. Like a song unsung, like we're still young. Fresh air, love, it's all we need. A little wind, a little speed. No roof, no ceiling, no cage inside. Just open hearts and stars tonight. The breeze, it carries your name to me. A melody that sets me free. Fresh air, love, it fills my lungs. Like a song unsung, like we're still young. Fresh air, love, it's all we need. A little wind, a little speed. The sun kissed the street just like a friend. Soft whispers of time that never bend. Every crack on the pavement tells a tale of golden days that never fail. Golden days, oh, they never fade. In the heart where the memories stay. Golden days, oh, we laugh, we play. Hold them close before they slip away. A breeze through the trees hums a melody. Echoes of laughter chasing dreams carefree. The sky wears a smile painted white and blue. Golden days, they shine right through. Don't blink too long, they'll be gone. Golden days, oh, they never fade. In the heart where the memories stay. Golden days, oh, we laugh, we play. Hold them close before they slip away. Footsteps in the sand, fingers in the air, tracing stars that were never there. Golden days, oh, golden days, they're still here in a million ways. Oh. I saw you there in the morning glow. A laugh so soft it stole the show. Your eyes, they spoke what words don't know. First light of you breaking through a world so gray now, painted new. First light of you, my heart just flew. First love so bright, so true.
We chase the sun, our shadows dance. A fleeting touch, a stolen chance. The air was sweet like a first romance. Your voice, it lingers like a tune, a melody beneath the moon. First light of you breaking through a world so gray now, painted new. First light of you, my heart just flew. First love so bright, so true. Time may pass, the seasons fade, but your spark, it will never change. You're the song I'll always replay. First light of you breaking through. First light of you. The sun dips low where the shadows grow. A golden whisper starts to flow. In the arms of dust, the world feels slow. Streetlights blink like stars in line, your hand in mine, the perfect sign. When night falls close, we come alive under the sky where dreams survive. Hold me tight, let the hours slide. When night falls close, we're side by side. A soft breeze hums through the quiet trees. The air feels thick with honeyed ease. Your laugh's a song, it sets me free. Moonlight drips a silver thread. Your eyes, they pull me where I'm led. When night falls close, we come alive under the sky where dreams survive. Hold me tight, let the hours slide. When night falls close, we're side by side. I found a crack in the morning sky, a place where dreams go to dry. Dusty roads, fading signs, but shadows in the sunlight dance. Oh, they twist, they take their chance. Life's a song, a fleeting glance. I built a house on borrowed time, painted walls of words that rhyme, but the roof leaks when I cry. will it hold, will it fall, doesn't matter at all. 'Cause shadows in the sunlight play. They don't ask, they don't stay. Fleeting ghosts, they slip away. Oh, the gravel hums under my feet, the rhythm of lost, the melody sweet. A song of joy and bittersweet. Oh.
Sunlight dripping through the blinds, coffee steam dances, slow rewind. The clock ticks but we don't care, time's a whisper everywhere. Barefoot hearts on a wooden floor. What's outside we don't explore. Golden hours, they melt like honey, warm and sweet, worth more than money. We've got this, no need to chase. Golden hours, our sacred space. Your laugh is a melody I hum, a secret tune where we come from. The world's a blur, but you're so clear. Every word feels like a cheer. Hold on tight to the little things, the fleeting joys the moment brings. Catch the light before it fades. Golden hours, never trade. Golden hours, they melt like honey, warm and sweet, worth more than money. We've got this, no need to chase. Golden hours, our sacred space. Golden hours, golden hours, golden hours. They melt like honey, warm and sweet, worth more than money.
The leaves are falling slow like secrets in the breeze. A golden whisper floats through the empty trees. I walk this path where sunlight kisses my skin. And falling leaves, they dance like love in the air. Every color, a story we used to share. Oh, falling leaves, they remind me you're still there. The crisp air sings a song I somehow know by heart. It weaves through branches where our memories start. Every step feels like the earth is breathing For the sky is burning soft, and the ground is painted dreams of falling leaves that dance like love in the air. Every color, a story we used to share. Oh, falling leaves, they remind me you're still there. Each leaf a letter, each one a note, carried by winds that time has rolled. And though the season fades, the love remains. I saw the sun paint the sky in gold. The air was warm, the stories untold. A laugh escaped like a secret's kiss. Is there a moment better than this? Golden days, golden rays, burning bright in endless ways. We hold them close, we let them stay. Golden days won't fade away. The world spins slow when we're alive. Each heart beats a drum, a dance, a dive. Barefoot on the grass, chasing the moon. The night's a song that ends too soon. Golden days, golden rays, burning bright in endless ways. We hold them close, we let them stay. Golden days won't fade away. Time can steal the hands of clocks, but not the feel of skipping rocks. The echoes ring, the memories play. Golden days, they're here to stay. Golden days, golden rays, burning bright in endless ways. We hold them close, we let them stay. Golden days won't fade away. The sky opens wide like a painter's dream. Every breath feels like a gentle stream. Fresh air kissing my skin so kind. It's you running through my mind. Fresh air, it's you. I feel like sunlight on a Ferris wheel, spinning high, spinning free. Fresh air, I like to. Fresh air, your life to me. Ooh, your laughter floats like leaves on the breeze. A melody carried through whispering trees. Every word you say is a little flame, lighting up this world, never the same. I could hold my breath fresh air, your life to me. Each moment's a window, the curtains fly. The scent of love in an open sky. Your touch is the wind that sweeps my soul. Fresh air, fresh air. You make me whole. The air is crisp, the colors hum, the daylight slow, sure to come. Golden fields, they stretch for miles, a harvest moon, a lover's smile. You take my hand, we walk the roads. The earth is singing, it somehow knows. Oh, golden fields, golden skies. You and I, where the sunlight lies. Every step feels like a rhyme. This is our season, harvest time. Your laughter falls like autumn leaves. It wraps around the arid weeds. The ground is rich, the moment it's sweet. Barefoot whispers where we meet. Oh, golden fields, golden skies. You and I, where the sunlight lies. Every step feels like a rhyme. This is our season, harvest time. Harvest time. The world turns slow in this embrace. Forever here, this sacred space. No need for words, the silence true. Just golden fields and me with you. The sky spills colors soft and slow. Your laughter dances in the glow. The sun leans low, the world turns light, and I hold you close in fading light. Golden hour, golden hour. Time just stops, we feel its power. Golden hour, golden hour. Your smile blooms like a midnight flower. The trees hum songs in the evening breeze. The stars wake up with gentle ease. Your hand in mine, we don't let go. We're painting love where shadows grow. Golden hour, golden hour. Time just stops, we feel its power. Golden hour, golden hour. Your the end. Let it stretch wide, let the dust pull us into its tide. The moon can wait, the night can stay. I want this moment, don't drift away. Golden hour, golden hour. Time just stops, we feel its power. Golden hour, golden hour. Your smile blooms like a midnight flower. The night is velvet deep and wide, your hand in mine. The world's outside, we walk where the whispers hide. Under the starry sky, we dream, every light a silver gleam. Under the starry sky, just you and I. The breeze carries a secret tune. Your laughter dances with the moon. I wish this night would never swoon. Tell me, are we lost or found? Is it the stars or love that grounds? Under the starry sky, we dream, every light a silver gleam. Under the starry sky, just you and I. Hearts like constellations burning bright, tracing lines across the night. Your eyes, they hold a universe, a galaxy, a spell, a verse. Morning sunlight kissed my eyes, sleepy haze where truth lies. I stretched my arms to the ceiling wide, and I thought of you, just you, how the world feels brand new every time I see your face. I see your coffee steam curled in the air, footsteps soft on wooden stairs. Each moment whispers you're still there. The clock spins slow and I'm with you. Every second feels too few, and I thought just to you, how the world feels brand new every time I see your face. I see your face. Ooh, sun sinks low behind the trees. A quiet hum floats on the breeze. Your laughter soft, it curls and stays in every corner of my days. No rush, no race, no time to chase. We let the hours fall in place. This restful evening's ours to keep. The world can turn, but let it sleep. Your hand in mine, it feels so right. We'll paint the stars with love tonight. A candle flickers, shadows play. The moon leans in to light our way. Your voice a song, it holds me near. Each word you whisper melts my fear. No rush, no race, no time to chase. We let the hours fall in place. This restful evening's ours to keep. The world can turn, but let it sleep. Your hand in mine, it feels so right. We'll paint the stars with love tonight. The sky is velvet black tonight. Stars like whisper, hold me tight. Each one a lantern, soft and bright. Do they know the way you glow under the starry sky? I see forever in your eyes. No need to wonder why. It's you and I. Moonlight dances on your face. Time slows down, a sweet embrace. Every breath a sacred space. Do you feel this love so real? Under the starry sky, I see forever in your eyes. No need to wonder why. It's you and I. Golden afternoons hum through the trees. The scent of cinnamon whispers your name. Pumpkin spice love, it's a flavor divine, sweeter than the coffee that we share in time. Every sip reminds me of your laugh, your eyes. Pumpkin spice love, where autumn collides. Your scarf tangled in the chill of the air, fingers wrapped around a mug we both share. October holds us like it's holding a flame. Pumpkin spice love, it's a story untold, warming up the corners where the world feels cold. Every sip reminds me of your laugh, your eyes. Pumpkin spice love, where autumn collides. Oh, it's nutmeg dreams and caramel skies, a dash of magic in your soft goodbyes. Even winter can't steal what's ours tonight. Pumpkin spice love, it's a flavor divine, sweeter than the coffee that we share in time. Every sip reminds me of your laugh, your eyes. Pumpkin spice love, where autumn collides.
Fingers trace the edge of dawn, every shadow's nearly gone. The sky whispers secrets I can't hold. And golden light, golden light, golden light, chasing shadows, making it right. Golden light, golden light, you found me here tonight. Footsteps echo streets so wide, heartbeats running, can't decide if I'm lost or if I've just arrived. Your laugh lingers in the air like I've always been there. Golden light, golden light, golden light, chasing shadows, making it right. Golden light, golden light, you found me here tonight. Oh, every crack in the pavement tells a story. Every sigh in the breeze says don't worry. The world turns and still you shine.